Hey there, Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center, coming to you here on beautiful Lake Louisville. We're 20 minutes from DFW Airport, 20 minutes from left field. I want to walk you through this 2010 330 Sundancer listing that we just recently took on. I'm going to start back here in the back. As you can see, the beautiful sea decks going to run all the way from the swim platform in through the cockpit. Beautiful, what I like to call the fireworks seat or the sunset seat. Beautiful spot to be able to sit, or if you got people in the water enjoying themselves down the water, you can sit there and have conversation with them. Just a nice spot to be here on the back of the boat. As we walk into the cockpit, really easy flow back here. You know, they've had this model for a while, and it's just because it worked, right? So you've got this nice U-shaped seating here with a nice natural teak table. Right across, you've got your wet bar area, a little storage, your Kenyan grill. Kenyan grills are great for grilling up the hot dogs and hamburgers. Really, you can kind of be self-sustained out here. Once you're on the water, you got the generator going. Kenyan grill is going to fire up and run for you and cook just about anything. Got your refrigerator underneath here. Really makes it nice for serving back and forth between this cockpit area. As we step into the helm station, one of my favorite helms. It's got the C90 Ray Marine unit, GPS unit with radar. This boat is equipped with night vision as well. Vessel view, it's got Seacor engines on it. The Seacor engines are the saltwater, kind of saltwater edition engines. Got a lot of anti-corrosive components that are on it. Really nice, because this boat's always been in freshwater, but now you have the ability to take it to saltwater, and you've got the engines to be ready for that. So with about 260 hours on it, all services are up to date and ready for the next owner. Digital shift and throttle, and one of the most popular features, the joystick docking with what I like to call virtual anchor or skyhook. So you really have the ability to jump in this boat. If you've never boated before, we can show you how to use it. A lot of times we have the 9-year-olds and the 10-year-olds get on the boat and dock these. So no doubt about it, they won't have all the anxiety of can you dock or can you dock or not dock. So as you look forward, this boat does have the full custom sun pad option. You got sun pads off both the port and the starboard, and then the standard sun pad, which is there in the middle, which was where the factory had mounted theirs. They replaced it with a custom one as well. So as you can see, you've got the bow JL audio speakers that were added to it. Really makes for a nice spot to be able to lay out, get some sun, and listen to some tunes up front. And I probably skipped the two of the most important things here in the cockpit, other than the joystick, is these upgraded JL audio and wet sound can speakers. JL audio, it's got the blue and white lights throughout the entire boat, and then a beautiful custom mount TV. Really nice mount on this, not a hokey one. It's really a good solid mount with the Toshiba TV that is hooked into satellite TV. The boat does have the track vision satellite dome too with direct TV. So let's go down into the cabin. So here we are in the cabin of Wine and Shine, and you'll notice these nice hard surface countertops here. Got the LG microwave, Dometic fridge. Also has the fridge drawer here. It's nice for keeping some bottled waters and drinks in there as well, with the pull-out drawers for other storage. I've always liked the fact that they actually put an undermount stainless steel sink in this boat. A lot of times they don't do that. They just put an over-top drop-in, and so that's a really nice feature. When you look at the V-berth, everything's clean, so all your upholstery is in good shape. Not water stains either around the vent or anything. So a lot of times when you get on these boats, it's something that you'll find. This boat is very clean in the V-berth. The owners didn't really stay on it a whole lot. You got the TV mounted here in the V-berth as well with the DVD player built in. Obviously you've got AC and heat built into it as well. One thing that's nice here in the sofa area, you've got a sofa here that will seat multiple people, and you've got a table that stores underneath the V-berth that'll come out here. So if you're in inclement weather, or maybe it was a cold day, kind of like today here on the lake, this would be a nice spot. Close the door, sit down, play some cards, have a cup of coffee, watch some TV. Really a great area to kind of entertain here. This will also slide out to make another sleeping spot for somebody too. So when you look back in the mid-berth is another area that you can have somebody, those cushions will actually slide out and make a sofa. Got a curtain that pulls across with another TV there as well. And then if you're anything like me, you love the full-length mirror on the back of the door. The vanity in the head here, nice vacuum flush head. with plenty of headroom in there. And as you can see, it's got the faux teak flooring in it as well, not just the fiberglass liner. So I'm Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. I'd love to show you this boat. Give me a call at 972-670-8211. Let's get you out to see it. If you need me to pick you up, I can pick you up if you're flying in. Love to talk to you about the boat. You won't regret coming out to see it. Thanks. Bye-bye.